Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create an eBay account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, search for eBay right over here. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and download and install this application onto your device. It's not going to take a very long time in order to download, so let's just go ahead and wait for it. Once it is downloaded, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the open icon. Now all you need to do is tap on My eBay on the bottom of your screen and simply click on sign in on the top. Now as you can see, there is going to be haven't signed up yet, create an account, tap on that, and now this is where you can continue with Apple, continue with Facebook, Google, or just continue with your email. Go ahead and enter your email, first name, surname, and click on continue. It's going to ask you to create a password. Simply go ahead and enter a password that you want to create. Then it's going to ask you to verify your email by sending you a verification code to the email that you provided. Simply enter that verification code into the application and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like